I was pretty new to real estate when we started working with Giraffe360, and 3D tours was one thing that I really did want to be able to offer, because I know as a consumer looking on, your third-party websites, like I'm always more likely to click on a listing that says it has a 3D tour. But again, it was more of a cost, and I was new and I was starting out, and marketing funds were not abundant. So when I found out I could myself go and do the pictures and the 3D tour in an hour and not have to pay over $500, I was like, sold. I see a huge difference in the quality between the 3D tours from Giraffe360 and then the competitor that we have here. I described it as the difference between like an Apple product and a non-Apple product, because it's just clean, neat, the interface is easy to use, and then the actual images are just a lot cleaner and crisper. And then also the 3D floor plan is money, because a lot of buyers move here from out of state. And so to be able to have all of the measurements and to know if their furniture is going to fit or if that wall is big enough for their TV is really awesome. The feature of being able to do kind of like a lead capture with the 3D tour landing page, I was super excited about that. Obviously, as an agent, I can see who looked at my 3D tour. You mean they can register for more information, and that information comes directly to me. So now I can use that as almost like a single property website. So that's one more thing I can cut from having to pay for it separately.